Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a teacher account on Google Classroom so you can start teaching online. Stick around till the end to make sure it's set up properly. First of all, simply open your Google Classroom application, or you can go to the classroom.google.com in your browser. I'll open the Classroom application. After you have opened it, at the first time you have signed in, it will ask whether you are teacher or a student. Simply click I am a teacher. I have already signed in. As you can see, you can use your school or organization Google Workspace account. After signing in, you will see this kind of interface. Then create your first class. To create your first class, simply click on the plus icon at the below, as you can see. After clicking here, you will see the option called create class. Simply create a class and accept it. You can simply put a class name. I'll name it as English class, and put a section and put a room number and simply put a subject. After doing this, you will see the option called create at the top. Simply click it. And that's it, your new English class has been created as a teacher. And that's how you create a Google Classroom teacher account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more classroom tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a step-by-step guide on setting up your first assignment. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.